Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'll show you how to follow and unfollow accounts on X so that you can customize your feed and stay updated with the content you care about. First of all, launch the X app open on your mobile device and then make sure that you're logged into the account. Once logged in from the home page, go ahead and click on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type in the username or the name of the account you want to follow. After typing down the name, you can go ahead and select the contact and then click on the follow button from their profile at the top right. After you do that, you will now be following the person. Once followed, you'll start seeing their post in your feed. If you ever want to unfollow a contact, then you can go to their profile like you just did, and where it says following, simply tap on it and click on this unfollow button. And just like that, you have followed and unfollowed someone on X. That's it. Now you know how to follow and unfollow accounts on X. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.